Hi friends, so we are now moving on to lesson number 14 in our SIPPS challenge. So I'm not going to really introduce a new sound to you today, but we're going to go ahead and review what we were working on in lesson number 13. So if we can remember, we were working on the C, E, C, I, C, Y. So let's see if we can remember. When the C-E, C-I, C-Y, when the E, I, and Y fall after the C, we're going to make a S sound, okay? So it's going to make the S, the hissing snake sound. Okay, ready? Sound, S. Good. This would be like in cent, 1 cent, or sell. Good. Ready? Sound, S. Perfect. Like in city or pencil, okay? C-Y, sound, good, like in fancy or cycle. And then this one is the one we've been working on for a couple of lessons also. I just want to make sure we do it before I retire it and put it back. We have to master it, so we need to make sure we know it. When you see it, PH, remember it's going to make the sound, like the letter F. Ready, sound. Good. Okay. So one last time. And sound. Perfect. Nice review. Okay. Let's go ahead and peek at our list for the day. We'll have some of those things that we've been reviewing. So remember our lessons of the CE, CI, CY. Okay, here we go. Ready, read. Gem. Read. Fin. Read. Cyst. What's the sound? CY is S. Good, ready? Sound, read. Cyst. TH says sound. Good. Read. Thud. Perfect. Read. Scent. Good. Read. Gap. Nice work. Okay. Remember, these are just syllables, so sometimes they don't make sense because that's just part of a word. Okay. Ready, read. Fet. Read. Mill. What does CI say? Ready? CI sound. S. Good. Read. Sin. Good. If you said k in, remember our rule we were just learning. CI says and read. Cug. Remember when the vowel U is next to a C, it's just going to say a short sound of Cug. Perfect. Okay, let's keep moving. So we're going to go ahead and do our little brain gymnastics on our syllables. Okay, so here we go. The rule is vowel at the end is long. Ready, read. Bay. Good. Vowel at the not at the end is short. Good. Read. Av. And read. Bav. Good. Read. Suff. Read. Sew. Sounds funny, doesn't it? Remember, this is me, a long U. Sew. Good. And read. Uff. All right. We'll do one more. Ready, read. Ep. Good. If you said eep, I want you to remember where that vowel is. Beginning, not at the end is short. Ready? Read. Ep. Perfect. Read. Good. T. Perfect. And last one, read. Tep. Perfect. Good. Your brain is getting a workout, isn't it? All right. Here we go. These are our new sight syllables. So when we see these, kind of like our sight words that we learned in kindergarten, first grade, second grade, these ones will go, oh, I remember this. Okay. Here's our our first new one for today. This is going to be a prefix. So oftentimes when that is there, it means that there's going to be part of a word that comes, the root word maybe that comes later. So this is a prefix, comes in the beginning. It also has a definition. So this is like repeat or recopy, and its definition is again. Think about that. If you recopy something or you redo, you're going to do it or copy it again. Okay, ready? Read, definition, again. Nice job. Okay, this one is mid. Again, it's a prefix in some words. Not in all, but in some. So like for mid-year, that would be a prefix, but like middle, that's just not a prefix, all right? This also has a definition and it means center. Mid means center, which I think that makes sense, right? In the middle or the center. Okay, ready, read. Mid, definition, center. Perfect. All right. This is a root word. It also has a definition. We have a lot of definitions today. Oh my goodness. This is div, and its definition is separate. If you think, separate. Separate. So if you think of like division or divide, you're separating things. So that should hopefully stick in our brain. It's like division. Or divorce, you're separating, okay? Div. Perfect. Read, div, definition, separate. Perfect. Okay, last new one for the day. So 4 new ones today and 4 definitions, but we can do this. Okay, here's our new one for the day. Ready? Read, un. Definition is not. Okay, so it's not. So if I give you the word unable, it means you are not able. Okay, unable, not able. Okay, ready, read. Un, definition, not. Perfect. We're going to go through some of the ones we've been learning, and we'll go quick because I know we have a lot of syllables today. Okay, ready, read. Anti, definition, against. Good. Read. Ness, kindness, sickness. Read. Mem, like member, memory. This is irregular. We just need to know. This is all like medical or personal, okay? Typically a suffix. Again, need to know this one when you see it. It's irregular. Ready, read. Shun. So action, addition. Okay, ready, read. Auto. Auto, definition of auto is self, okay? Autobiography, a biography about myself. Read. Scope. Definition, watch. Good, this is a root word. Okay, last one. This one I like. Okay, this is a root word. Read. Frac. Definition, break. Think about a fraction or a fracture, a broken arm, for example. Okay, so that was a lot of syllables today, and a lot of them have definitions, but we'll keep practicing. All right, we're going to do a couple of our reading by syllable. Okay, let's try this one to start with. Ready, read. Pie. Read. Lot, really. Pie, lot. But again, I want you to do the real words. So ready, read. Let's do the first one. Sorry. Let's do the first one again. Ready? First syllable, pie. Second syllable, lot. Go for the real word. Pilot. Good. Nice job. Read. Han. This is an irregular sight syllable. Dull. Dull. Okay, read dull. Real word. Handle. Perfect. We're going to do one more. We're going to do 3 syllables. Read first syllable. Ve. Vowels at the end again on this syllable. K. Irregular sight syllable. Shun. Real word. Vacation. What? Look at that long word. Nice job. Proud of you. That's perfect. All right. We are going to get to the next part because we're running out of time already. Our lessons go fast, don't they? Okay. I want you guys to be thinking about the vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel that we've been working on for the last several lessons, and think about where the syllable break goes. Okay, so we're going to read these words real quick, and I want you to think about how many syllables and where to break it apart. Okay? So, here we go. Let's read. Pencil. How many syllables? Pencil. 2. We're going to break it apart between the 2 consonants. So if you decided you were going to put it between the N and the C, you're right. Pencil. Okay. Does anybody see an irregular sight syllable in this word? I do. I'm going to just go ahead and underline it. That's going to be our syllable. I want you to read. Ready? Read. Settle. Settle. And we're going to go ahead right there. All right. Next one. Whoops. Read. Kitten. Kitten. I am going to go ahead and label vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Where are we going to divide? Between the T's. Perfect. 2 syllables. Okay. Ready? Read. Invent. Invent. 2 syllables. I noticed vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. We're going to go ahead and divide between the N and the V. Okay. Last one for the day. We're almost finished, you guys. Nice work. Ready? Read. Plastic. Plastic. Where am I going to divide? I hope you said between the S and the T. If you did, pat yourself on the back. Nice work. Plastic. All right, you guys, that's our lesson for the day. Make sure that you're reading still. Snuggle up on the couch somewhere with your pet, or read to your sister, your brother, your mom, or your dad, and keep reading. Okay, practice your fluency, and you did a great job today. Kiss your brain. Good job, brain. All right, see you next time.